Hi everyone, I am Akshay, an ERP customer support executive at EduPlus campus. In this video, we are going to see feedback module part 2. Now we'll see the essay feedback. In essay feedback, we have institute feedback load linking, subject feedback load linking, and register student for feedback. Now we are now in the register student feedback. This is a one-time activity. If you are selecting a year, semester, and feedback one. For one, we have to select do this activity once only. So click on register students. All the students in our ERP will be registered for the feedback. Next is institute feedback load linking and subject feedback load linking. Now we have a subject feedback load linking. In subject feedback load linking, we have to link the subjects which is to be seen for the student for to give the feedback. Like if I am applying the filter, bachelor's, I'm taking feedback of a third year, fetch course, then you will able to see all the course list over here. If you want to take feedback of all subject, then you can select here. See here, there's a theory type, selected, lab, or tutorial. If you don't want to take feedback of this subject, theory of structure, then you just select and take this subject and click on save. Then you will able to see course is marked in a red color. So now this subject will be not visible for the student to take the feedback. If you want again on it, then just select it and click on save. You will see again. So this is nothing but a subject feedback load linking. For which subject we want to take a feedback, we have to add on this subject from here for theory, lab, and tutorial and click on save. If once it's done, then it will be visible in a green color. Now next is a institute feedback load linking. If you want to do feedback for only theory, then you have to select your theory, lab, or tutorial, and select theory, fetch. You will see here for theory subject for third year, first year, fourth year, for all the years it will be visible. You have to take the feedback for which and select that subjects and just save. And these subjects only visible to all the students. Now next is department feedback coordinator. In department feedback coordinator, we have a subject feedback load linking, means this facility is also given to a department feedback coordinator, which we have seen now. And also if you want to clear the feedback of any student, you have to just select the enter the PRN number, fetch details, and you will able to see is feedback given. Since feedback is not given, it is no. If feedback is given, then you can see here yes, and you have the option like clear feedback. Then you can see clear the feedback of that particular student. Now here we also have a facility to block the student. If you want to block the student from giving the feedback, then we have option like block student. You can select the filter over here, semester as one, program type, program, year, and division. If you want to select any student, we have a PRN number and fetch. And you can see the student over here. Select the student and click on save. Now this student will be blocked. You can see it is in red color. If you do unblock the student again, and you see here unblock option is at the right side. Select the unblock tag, save, okay. Now this student is unblock again. So you can apply the filter over here also, and you can enter the PRN number also. Next is block individual student batch wise. So here we can block the student batch wise also. You can enter the PRN number of the student, fetch, and you will able to see all the subjects over here. Like this theory lab, so you want to apply him for only theory, he was not present for lab. You can select the subject and click on save, and student will be able to see only the theory subjects. Now we have also a batch wise block. If you want to batch wise block for all the student, then you can select here the year, filter, bachelor, year I am saying third year, and you can select here division, fetch, and you can see here batches like theory, lab, in all. So if I see the lab batches, click on fetch, you'll able to see the students in that batches. So you can select the student and click on block student. So you will block the student for that batch. Now here the next step is to give the role to the students for a feedback. So we have admin, role master, bulk roles. Select the students, select the role type as feedback, then the role for student, academic year, set, program type, select the program, year if I want to say third year, and division A or B, A, then fetch a student list. Now you will able to see all the student list over here. If the role is not given, then you will able to see the dash over here. I have given the role, so it is seeing student. And move down and assign the selected role. If you want to revoke the role, you can revoke the role. If you fetch again, you will able to see the dash over here. So the now student role is not given to them. Again assigning the role. Assign the role successfully. Fetch student list. Role is given. In this way, you can give the role to the students, such as students can, in their login, they can see the feedback tab in their login. Thank you.